Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hydrating face masks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask will cost you some. The 2-ounce bottle is selling for approximately $24 at the moment, meaning that you're paying $12 per 1 ounce of product. Still, we are not saying that the mask will not earn its keep. Quite the opposite. The colloidal oatmeal component will be calming and soothing distressed and dry skin. In the meantime, the bisabolol compound will also be soothing and calming the skin. The sea buckthorn extract, packing numerous antioxidants, will be conditioning the skin, while shea butter, an emollient that is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids, will be moisturizing and protecting the skin barrier. We're not even mentioning the licorice root, feverfew, and white tea extracts shielding the skin from environmental aggressors. Though we will mention that the product has been formulated without using artificial colorants, artificial fragrance, parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, and sulfates. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Olay Regenerist Luminous Overnight Facial Mask Gel Moisturizer. The Olay Regenerist Luminous Face Mask is a good moisturizing product that suits not only dry skin, but all skin types. It is convenient to apply and provides quick results. First of all, the product is very comfortable to use. It has a very light consistency and gets absorbed into the skin completely. The cream is designed only for night use though. You should apply it with massaging motions on your skin, and when you wake up in the morning, there will be no residue on your face. Thanks to that, you can use this mask on a daily basis to always flaunt a bright-looking skin. The product can boast a rich vitamin complex in its composition. It is also infused with mulberry extract and humectants that moisturize the skin without leaving a greasy shine and make your face healthy and fresh-looking. Also, this face mask is free of parabens and sulfates, which makes it extra safe, even for people with allergies. At number 3, we have the Andalou Naturals Pumpkin Honey Glycolic Mask. If you like organic self-care products, take a closer look at the Andalou Naturals Pumpkin Honey Face Mask. It is an efficient and, more importantly, safe product for dry, sensitive skin. The composition of this face mask is rich in manuka honey, organic pumpkin, and aloe vera leaf extract. The combination of pumpkin and honey has a great nourishing effect. As for aloe vera, it deeply moisturizes your skin and keeps the moisture in the cells so that your face can stay hydrated for longer. This face mask for dry skin is also rich in vitamin C that strengthens the skin and creates a protective barrier to make it less exposed to harmful UV radiation. Fruit stem cells act as natural antioxidants and promote the production of collagen to keep your skin tight and smooth. What is more, this glycolic mask also brings an exfoliating effect. It removes flakes and makes dry skin look much smoother. At number 2, we have the LAPCOS Honey Sheet Mask Daily Face Mask. Do you want to try something a little bit more different than an average cream mask? If so, try using the LAPCOS Korean Honey Sheet Face Mask. This K-Beauty essential product will significantly improve the condition of your skin. The nourishing ingredients of this face mask are honey, chamomile and cocoa extracts, castor oil, and vitamin A. Chamomile soothes irritated flaked skin and makes it softer, whereas honey significantly improves your facial contour. It makes the skin tighter and less soggy, adds to its elasticity, and evens out skin color. Castor oil moisturizes and helps smooth out small wrinkles for a more youthful look. The pack includes 5 sheet masks. Each mask is wrapped individually in a hermetic pack. This makes the product an exceptionally good choice for travel, since you won't have to carry big, bulky jars with you. A sheet requires minimum space in your makeup bag. The mask can be applied when needed, even daily, and should be left for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, it's advisable to pad your face dry with a clean cloth. And finally, at number 1, we have the Advanced Clinical's Rosewater Mask. The Advanced Clinical's Rosewater Face Mask is a versatile face mask that can make even the most problematic skin normal in a very short time. This has become possible thanks to the inclusion of Bulgarian rose, the main ingredient of the mask that delivers an amazing cleansing and detox effect, removes blackheads, and makes the pores appear smaller. Plus, it leaves a pleasant rosy smell after use. The other ingredient is coconut oil, which also has many beneficial properties for the skin. It restores water balance for lasting hydration, reduces flaking, and prevents tightness. We would like to say that this face mask is equally effective and safe on all skin types, including sensitive and combination skin. The mask can be used 2 to 3 times a week. Note that it is recommended to leave it on for quite a long while before rinsing, but the results are well worth the effort. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.